Good morning, children. How are you? You know what I was doing? Since we're doing the chapter, the kite, so I visualized and thought of drawing a kite. Does it look like a kite? Well, I tried. My drawing is not very nice. But since we were doing the chapter about kite, I thought I will just try my hands on it. So, how are you all? Hope you all are doing fine at home. And shall we start with our English class? So, we haven't done much in the chapter yet. We have only read 2 paragraphs and we've done 2 question answers along with some new words. Now, let's read further and find out what happens to the kite. Okay, children, so let's read from the beginning. The kite. Can you see the kite? It always wags its tail and shakes its ears. Then it breaks its string and flies away. It is a naughty cat. It sits on the top of houses and gets stuck in trees. It falls into ponds or lies flat on the grass. Can you see the kite flying on top of the houses? Looks very happy. Let's continue. The kite has a snow white face and pink and white ears. It is made of paper and little bits of strings tied together. It is such a pretty kite. Now, can you see the face of the kite? It's white, right? Just like the author is saying, snow white face and pink and white ears. And where are the strings? Here are those strings tied together, in which earlier they say that it wags its tail. Where is the tail? Here. The string that is attached, the author is calling it its tail. Let's turn the page. Look at it now. It is stuck on a red roof. The children will pull the tail of the kite, but the kite does not move. They try again. Can you see the kite over here? See? It's got stuck, and here are those children. Then they bring a ladder. They climb up carefully. Just then the wind lifts the kite and it flies away again. It flies over the field and far, far away. Can you see the ladder and the kite flying away? So what happens at the end? Yes, the wind lifts the kite and it flies away, far away. So children, it was a short and sweet chapter, wasn't it? Now we all like to fly kites. So, shall we start with our notebook work? Are you ready? Alright, then quickly take out your notebooks and we'll continue with our question and answer. Children, we're going to open our notebook and write down the date. Again, we're just going to write lesson 10, question answer, and we're going to continue our question answers. We have already done 2 question answers before. Now, we'll start with our third question, which is, what is the kite made of? You all can go through the chapter again, read it thoroughly, and then answer these questions. So you will first write down question number 3, give the answer, then continue with question number 4, which is, where does the kite fly to? Write down the answer, get it checked by your parents, and then upload it on your GCR.